This is a continuation of the possessive pronouns lesson. Ilaha is theirs. Ilaha, theirs. Ilaha. Inyoha means yours. Again, inyoha means yours in plural. Inyoha, yours. If there is an object involved, ilaha becomes ilahang or ilang. For example, their cat in Bisaya is ilahang iring. Or you can say ilang iring. Ilahang or ilang iring. The same goes for the possessive pronoun inyoha. If you want to show possession or if there's an object involved in a sentence, you can say inyohang or inyong. So in this example, your house in Bisaya is inyohang or inyong balay. Inyohang or inyong balay. Let's have a short quiz. How do you say their family in Bisaya? Again, how do you say their family in Bisaya? The correct answer is ilahang or ilang pamilya. Ilahang or ilang pamilya is their family. How about your store? How do we say your store in Bisaya? The correct answer is inyohang or inyong tindahan. Inyohang or inyong tindahan is your store in Bisaya. How about your money? How do we say your money in Bisaya? The correct answer is inyohang or inyong kwarta. Inyohang or inyong kwarta is your money in Bisaya. How about their gifts? How do we say their gifts in Bisaya? The correct answer is ilahang or ilang mga regalo. Ilahang or ilang mga regalo is their gifts in Bisaya. Hope you learned something new today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!